Cafovidia was kind enough to send me this. This is the C10 model, which is their newest model. So we're just going to do an unboxing and show her in use and go from there. Got our user manual. The duster itself, that thing's got some size to her. Charging cord, some brushes, and a handful of different nozzles. I actually have their other one, which I need to take inside and charge it. So this is the other one I have of theirs, which I love a lot. And it's actually, like I said, it's dead, so I need to go inside and charge it. These are one of those things that once you have them, you tend to think, oh, I'll never use one. And then once you do have one, you use it a lot more than you think, or you ever thought you would. At least I did. So there's their old one, which I like a lot. All right, so this one does come with a little carrying bag. Nothing too fancy about that. USB to USB-C cord. A couple feet long. And some brushes. Got our little lanyard here, which we'll go ahead and get that on. So once it's on, you have this little adjuster, so you can adjust around your wrist if you so wanted. And then we have, like I said, a bunch of different selection of nozzles. The tool itself, you got a little light right there. It's decent. And then you have your power button right here. This has 4 different modes, I believe, and it has a battery life right here, which is going to be identified as 4 dots. So the tool itself, you have your power button right here, which is, you have 4 different modes, and then you have your battery life right here, which is followed by those 4 dots. And then once you long press, turn it on, you just hit it. There you have that. On the back side here, you have your charging port, which is USB-C, followed by your flashlight for on and off, which flashlight is back there in the middle. Also right here, you have a metal screen cover, which I like. It's not cheap plastic. So there you have it. We'll go and show her in use and go from there. Another use you could use these air blowers for instance, I got this mess right here because I'm replacing this window. And here we have the new Cafovidia C10 duster. I'm going to butcher the name of it. It does have an LED light, which I'm not going to show just because it's daylight outside. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. It's got 4 different modes, so you got 1 with a battery life right there. 2, 3, 4. And then just long press to turn it off. And we're close up of this window here. This is in mode 1, by the way. thing's got some power. So it's a pretty small light, but it's pretty powerful for no bigger than what it is. So for the different nozzles, all you got to do is just twist and kind of wiggle it out, and then you're good to put whatever other ones you want on there. There you go. And I said this once, and I'll say it again. I've never been a big fan of these. I never had one, and I wasn't a big fan. I was like, it's kind of pointless. And then once you actually get one, you realize there's actually a lot more uses for these than I thought there was. Mode 1 for right now. So there you have it. This is the C10 air duster. Thing works great. It has all kinds of power. That's really all I got to say about it. There's nothing really a whole lot other than it works great. And once you get one, you'll realize the possibilities are a lot more than you ever thought there would be.